Hello everyone, and welcome back with this resource guide for first-time homebuyers. In this section, we will be talking about considerations before you buy a house. 1. What kind of home best meets your needs? You have several options when copying a domestic property: a traditional single-family home, a townhouse, a condominium, or a multifamily construction with 2 to 4 units. Depending on your level of homeownership, each choice has advantages and disadvantages. It's up to you to decide which type of property will help you become a comfortable homeowner. In any case, you can save money on the purchasing price by choosing a fixer-upper. Although the quantum of time, sweat equity, and patience involved to turn a fixer-upper into your dream home might be much further than you bargained for. Single family is great for those who do not need rental assistance to pay for it, or someone who just doesn't like people and does not even want to deal with any tenants. Townhouse or condo is great for a person that just want a place for themselves, but with amenities like pool, gym, and recreation area. Also great for a person who does not want to be bothered with cutting grass or shoveling snow, because you will pay an association fee that will most likely handle those things for you. Multifamily dwelling 2 to 4 units is great for an investor to start building a rental portfolio, as you can live in one of the units and rent the others and gain rental income from the property. If you can live in one unit for free or at a discount as the others pay for your expenses, then that is the ultimate multifamily goal. Now you can save your money to purchase an additional rental property in the future if that is your goal. This brings us to the end of this section. See you in the next section. Thank you.